ఓకే వాయిస్ వస్తుందా? ఇది ఆన్ చేయలేదేమో చూడండి. హలో వస్తుందా వాయిస్? హలో అక్కడ లైట్ బ్లింక్ వస్తుందా? చెక్ చేయలేదు. Morning. Okay. Good morning, students. Yesterday, we discussed the substitution method. That is, I proved integration of tan x. Integration of tan x is log mod secant x. So, the second formula, integration of cot x into dx. What is the integration of cot x into dx? So this is the proof. Integral cot x into dx is equal to integral cos x by sin x into dx. Cot x is cos x by sin x. Then here sin x derivative is cos x. We consider let sin x is equals to t. Can change the variable from x to t. That is sin x is equal to t. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, sin x derivative cos x is equal to dt. T derivative dt by dx. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, that is sin x derivative is cos x. So t derivative with respect to x is dt by dx. That is cos x into dx is equal to dt. Cos x into dx is equal to dt. Here substitute cos x into dx is dt and sin x is t. That is equal to integral 1 by t, 1 by sin x, that is 1 by t, cos x into dx is equal to dt. So the complete problem changes in variables of t from x to t. So here we know the formula integral 1 by x. Integral 1 by x is log mod x with respect to x. Here with respect to t, integration of 1 by t is equal to log mod t. Log mod t plus c. So what is t here? Sin x. That is equal to log mod sin x plus c. Log mod sin x plus c. So another formula, that is integral cot x into dx is equal to log mod sin x plus c. Integral cot x into dx is equal to log mod sin x plus c. Next formula, integral secant x dx. Integral secant x dx. For this, integral proof secant x into dx is equal to integral multiplying with the secant x plus tan x and dividing with secant x plus tan x. That is secant x into secant x plus tan x by secant x plus tan x into dx. So here we want to prove what is the formula of integration of secant x. So here multiplying with the secant x plus tan x, dividing with the secant x plus tan x, multiplying the term, dividing the same term. Why here multiplying this term? Here you consider secant x plus tan x is equal to t. Let secant x plus tan x is equal to t. Then what is the secant x derivative? Secant x into tan x plus what is the tan x derivative? Secant square x is equal to t derivative dt by dx. Here we are doing with respect to x. Here we want to change the variable x in terms of t. That's why we are doing both sides with respect to x derivative. Secant x derivative secant x into tan x plus tan x derivative secant square x is equal to t derivative dt by dx. Here you take secant x is common. Secant x into here secant x plus tan x into dx is equals to dt. From this bracket you take secant x is common, that is a secant x into bracket secant x plus tan x into dx is equal to dt. Then substitute here integral denominator, this is t, that is 1 by t into here secant x into secant x plus tan x into dx is dt. So integral 1 by t dt, that is integration depends on t. So with respect to t here, so integration of 1 by t is log mod t, that is log mod t plus c, that is equal to log mod, what is t here? Secant x plus tan x plus c. So formula is integral secant x into dx is equal to log mod secant x plus tan x plus c. Integral secant x into dx is equal to log mod secant x plus tan x plus c. This is the another formula. Next, fourth formula, integral cosecant x into dx. Integral cosecant x dx. Integral cosecant x dx. Yes, proof. Integral cosecant x dx is equal to integral cosecant x into multiplying with the cosecant x minus cot x. Cosecant x minus cot x, dividing the same cosecant x minus cot x, multiplying with the cosecant x minus cot x, dividing with the same term cosecant x minus cot x. Just listen here. Why we are multiplying with the cosecant x minus cot x? Let cosecant x minus cot x is equal to t. Cosecant x minus cot x is equal to t. What is the derivative? Differentiating both sides with respect to x. What is the derivative of cosecant x? Minus cosecant x into cot x. Cosecant x derivative minus cosecant x into cot x minus what is cot x derivative? Minus cosecant square x. Minus cosecant square x is equal to t derivative with respect to x dt by dx. Here minus into minus plus cosecant x is common. Cosecant x is common, then you get in the bracket cosecant x minus cot x into dx is equal to dt. Into dx is equal to dt. So here cosecant x into cosecant x minus cot x into dx is dt, but denominator is t. That is, you get integral 1 by t into dt. So integration of 1 by t dt is log mod t. That is log mod t plus c. That is equal to log mod t is cosecant x minus cot x plus c. Cosecant x minus cot x plus c. So that is integral cosecant x into dx is equal to log mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c. We can simplify this also in terms of sine coses. For example, log mod 1 by sin x minus cos x by sin x plus c. For example, simplified form, cosecant x is 1 by sin x minus cot x is cos x by sin x. This is log mod sin x is the LCM. In the numerator, you get 1 minus cos x plus c. So, you know the trigonometry very well, formulas. So, half angles, 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. 1 minus cos x half angles formula 2 sin square x by 2. Sin x half angles formula 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. In terms of sin coses, that is equal to logarithm of 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2 by sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 plus c. 2 cancel, 1 sin x by 2 sin x by 2 cancel. That is log mod sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. That is tan x by 2 plus c. So the formula of integral cosecant x dx is log mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c is correct. And also simplified form is log mod tan x by 2. So these are the four formulas: integral tan x, integral cot x, integral secant x, integral cosecant x. These four formulas are produced by using the substitution method. By using the substitution method. That's why I'm not given these formulas in the formulas list. You can add these four formulas in the formulas list. So you can learn these formulas also. You remember these four formulas also. Very, very important. So I think you got all trigonometric functions formulas for integration. Next, here I discussed one formula. Integral f of x whole power n into f dash x dx is equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Just a simple result or theorem. Theorem 1. Integral f of x whole power n into f dash x into dx. Integral f of x whole power n into f dash x into dx is equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Yes, proof. Integral f of x whole power n into f dash x into dx. let f of x is equal to t. Substitution method. Substitution method, f of x is equal to t. What is the derivative of f of x with respect to x? That is f dash x. F of x derivative with respect to x is f dash x is equal to t derivative with respect to x dt by dx. Dt by dx. Then f dash x into dx is equal to dt. F dash x into dx is equal to dt. Then substitute here integral f of x is t, that is t power n into f dash x into dx is dt. So integration of x power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So with respect to x, here t power n with respect to t, apply the same formula, that is t power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. T power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Here t is f of x, that is f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. That's the proof. Therefore, integral f of x whole power n into f dash x into dx is equal to f of x whole power n into dx. At what type of problems using this formula? For example, one example I discussed. Example, integral tan to the power of 4x into secant square x into dx. Problem is given like that. Integral tan to the power of 4x into secant square x into dx. Simply, you write this is tan x whole power 4. Tan to the power of 4x is tan x whole to the power of 4 into secant square x dx. Already you know the differentiation, all differentiation formulas. Here observe this, tan x derivative here. Now what is the tan x derivative? Secant square x. F of x whole power n. F of x derivative is f dash x. So f of x whole power n into f dash x. So by using this formula, you get directly answer tan x whole power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus c. That is answer is tan to the power of 5x by 5 plus c. Simply again. By using this formula. That's why what I am saying, you remember the formulas, differentiation formulas and integration formulas. Formulas are very, very important. Yes, exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2. By using substitution method. Yes, first problem. Integral 2x by 1 plus x square. Integral 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. Here, using the substitution method, here I want to discuss another formula also. Integral f of x whole power n by f dash x into dx is equal to, sorry, the denominator derivative numerator lo undi. Yes, f dash x by f dash x by f of x whole power n into dx. This is the form. Integral f dash x by f of x whole power n into dx is equal to log mod f of x. Yes, log mod f of x plus c. Integral f dash x by f of x into dx is equal to log mod f of x plus c. This is another formula. Here also proof. Same, given integral f dash x by f of x into dx, let f of x is equal to t. F of x is equal to t, and differentiating both sides with respect to x, that is f dash x is equal to dt by dx. F of x derivative f dash x and t derivative dt by dx. So f dash x into dx is equal to dt. F dash x into dx is equal to dt. Here substitute integral f dash x into dx is dt, that is 1 by t. F of x is t, 1 by t into dt. 1 by t into dt, that is log mod t plus c, that is equal to log mod f of x plus c. Log mod f of x plus c. This is another formula. Copy this also. Integral f dash x by f of x into dx is equal to log mod f of x plus c. Log mod f of x plus c. Here, the denominator derivative exists in the numerator. Denominator derivative exists in the numerator, then you can use the formula. But here, 1 plus x square derivative is 2x here, numerator. Then directly you can write the answer log mod 1 plus x square. But here, just do the problem by using substitution method. For example, the question is given for 2 marks. So the process is compulsory. How to do this problem? Directly formula is not using. For this formula is used in the objective directly. So here solution integral 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. Integral 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. So let 1 plus x square is equal to t. 1 plus x square is equal to t. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. 1 derivative 0, x square derivative 2x is equal to t derivative dt by dx. T derivative dt by dx, that is 2x into dx is equal to dt. 2x into dx is equal to dt. So substitute here integral 2x into dx is dt, 1 plus x square is t, that is 1 by t into dt. 1 by t into dt, that is log mod t plus c, that is equal to log mod 1 plus x square plus c. Log mod 1 plus x square plus c. For example, if the question is given for 1 mark, then you can use the formula directly. Integral f dash x by f of x into dx. is equal to log mod f of x. Integral f dash x by f of x into dx we proved log mod f of x plus c. So this formula is used for this problem. So denominator derivative exists in the numerator. 1 plus x square derivative 2x exists in the numerator. Directly you can write log mod 1 plus x square is the answer. But that formula is used in the 1 marks questions. But if the question is given 2 marks or 3 marks, but process is very, very important. If you are doing the problem in the process, in this process, you get the full marks. Okay. అప్పుడు ఎందుకు అది అదే అదే అడగని కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చెప్పిన తర్వాత చూద్దాం. ఎస్ నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఇంటిగ్రల్ log x whole square by x dx. Integral log x whole square by x dx. For example, we want to use the formula here. Problem is write like this: log x whole square into 1 by x into dx. Log x whole square into 1 by x dx. Yes, first theorem. F of x whole power n into f dash x. What is log x derivative? 1 by x. Log x derivative 1 by x. That is f of x whole power n into f dash x. Directly you can write the answer f of x whole power n plus 1. That is log x whole power 2 plus 1, 3 by 3 plus c. That is 1 mark bit. So process is so we are doing in process, that is solution. Given integral log x whole square into 1 by x dx. Let log x is equal to t. Substitution. Log x is equal to t. Log x derivative 1 by x into dx is equal to dt. Directly I am writing log x derivative 1 by x, t derivative dt by dx. Then you get log x into dx is equal to dt. So 1 by x into dx is equal to dt. That is integral log x is equal to t here. That is a t square into 1 by x into dx is dt. So integral x power n derivative integration, integral x power n, that is x power n integration x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here with respect to t, that is t power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. That is t cube by 3 plus c. What is t here? Substitute again log x whole cube by 3 plus c. That is the final answer. Log x whole cube by 3 plus c. This is the process. Yes, next problem. Third problem. Integral 1 by x plus x log x into dx. Integral 1 by x plus x log x into dx. Yes, solution. Integral 1 by x plus x log x dx is equal to integral. In the denominator, you take x is common here, x plus x log x, that is x is common. you get 1 plus log x. So here substitution method, which function is considered as a t depending on your formulas, differentiation formulas. So log x derivative is 1 by x. So that's why here you take 1 plus log x, 1 plus log x is equal to t. 1 plus log x is equal to t. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, 1 derivative 0 plus log x derivative 1 by x is equal to dt by dx, t derivative. That is 1 by x into dx is equal to dt. Here 1 by x into dx, instead of 1 by x into dx is dt, this 1 plus log x is t. That is integral 1 by 1 plus log x is t into 1 by x into dx is dt. Integral 1 by t dt. So integral 1 by t log mod t plus c. Log mod t plus c. Integral 1 by t is log mod t plus c. What is t here? Log mod t is 1 plus log x plus c. 1 plus log x plus c. Yes, next problem, fourth problem. Integral sin x into sin of cos x into dx. Integral sin x into sin of cos x into dx. Here, what is the substitution here? Cos x is equal to t is the substitution. Cos x is equal to t is the substitution. Why? Solution integral sin x into sin of cos x into dx. Cos x is equal to t. So cos x derivative minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. Directly I am writing minus sin x into t derivative dt by dx into cross multiplication. Minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. Here sin x into dx is equal to minus dt. Sin x into dx is equal to minus dt. Therefore integral sin of cos x is t. That's why sin t into sin x into dx is minus dt. Sin x into dx is minus dt. Here minus 1 is constant. You write outside integral sin t into dt. What is integration of sin t? What is the integration of sin x? What is the integration of sin x? Minus cos x minus of minus cos t plus c minus of sin t integration minus cos t, sin x integration minus cos x. Here with respect to t, that's why sin t integration minus cos t. That is answer is cos t. Cos of t is what? Cos x. Cos of cos x plus c is the answer. T is cos x. That is the cos of cos x plus c is the answer. Next problem. Integral sine of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b dx. Sine of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b dx. Yes, solution. Integral sine of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b dx. Here first substitution is ax plus b is equal to t. Ax plus b is equal to t. Yes, differentiating both sides with respect to x. A into x derivative 1 plus b derivative 0 is equal to dt by dx. So we are doing differentiation with respect to x. A into x derivative 1 plus b derivative 0 is equal to dt by dx. That is a into dx is equal to dt. A into dx is equal to dt. That is dx is equal to 1 by a into dt. Dx is equal to 1 by a into dt. So here integral sin t into cos t into dx means 1 by a dt. So the total function converted in another variable in terms of t, sin t into cos t. So here, what is the sin t derivative? Cos t. Okay, na? So you remember this formula? Integral f of t whole power n into f dash t into dt is equal to f of t whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c in terms of t. So sin t derivative cos t. Sin t whole power 1 is there. By using this formula, so 1 by a constant, you write outside. So this is f of t, this is f dash t, that is sin t whole power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c, that is 1 by 2a into sin square t plus c. So what is the t here? Substitute 1 by 2a sin square of ax plus b plus c. This is f of t whole power n. This is f dash t. Simply integral f of t whole power n into f dash t into dt is equal to f of t whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Already we proved the theorem. So at last you substitute what is t here. T is ax plus b. 1 by 2a sin square ax plus b. Answer. Yes, next problem. Integral root of ax plus b into dx. Integral root of ax plus b into dx. So root is power 1 by 2. That is, the problem is given integral ax plus b whole power 1 by 2 dx. Same here also substitution. Ax plus b is equal to t. Ax plus b is equal to t. So a into x derivative 1 plus b derivative 0 is equal to dt by dx. That is, a into dx is equal to dt. Dx is equal to 1 by a into dt. Dx is equal to 1 by a into dt. Substitute here. Integral ax plus b is t power 1 by 2 into dx is 1 by a into dt. So here 1 by a is constant. T power n integration t power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is 1 by a into t power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Here 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. That is 2 by 3. 1 by a into, in multiplication you get 2 by 3 into t power 3 by 2 plus c. So then substitute what is t here? Ax plus b. That is 2 by 3a into ax plus b whole power 3 by 2 plus c. That is the answer. 2 by 3a into ax plus b whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Next problem. X into integral x into root of x plus 2 dx. X into root of x plus 2 dx. Yes, solution. Integral x into root of x plus 2 dx. You will try to eliminate the root. That's why the substitution is x plus 2 is equal to t square. We want to eliminate this root value. Here x plus 2 is equal to, you can substitute t square, then 2, this square and root are cancelled. That's why the substitution is x plus 2 is equal to t square. That is x derivative 1 plus 2 derivative 0 is equal to t square derivative 2t into dt by dx. X derivative 1 plus 2 derivative 0, t square derivative with respect to x 2t into dt by dx. that is cross multiplication, dx is equal to 2t into dt. Dx is equal to 2t into dt. So here observe, x plus 2 is equal to t square. What about x? X is equal to t square minus 2. X plus 2 is equal to t square. From this, x is equal to t square minus 2. Here substitute what is x here? T square minus 2 into root of x plus 2 is t square into dx is 2t into dt. Observe the problem. X into root of x plus 2 is given. We want to eliminate this root value. That's why substitution is going on x plus 2. So you consider x plus 2 is equal to, you can take t also, you get the answer. But this is better. If you take x plus 2 is equal to t square, the root should be cancelled. The simplification is very easy. That's why I'm going to x plus 2 is equal to t square. So x plus 2 is equal to t square. From this you get x is equal to t square minus 2. So x plus 2 is equal to t square. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So x derivative 1 is equal to 2t, t square derivative 2t into dt by dx with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. So cross multiplication, dx is equal to 2t dt. So integral x is t square minus 2 into root of t square into 2t into dt. That is integral t square minus 2 into root t square is t into 2t into dt. So simplify this, t square minus 2 into 2t square into dt. So 2 is, that is 2 into t to the power of 4, multiplying in the bracket, 2 into t to the power of 4 minus 4 into t square into dt. So split the integral 2 into t to the power of 4 dt minus 4 into integral t square into dt. That is 2 into, here using exponent formula, integral exponent, that is t power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 4 into t power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So what is the t here? T square is x plus 2. T is equal to root of x plus 2. That is 2 by 5 into root of x plus 2 whole power 5 minus 4 by 3 into root of x plus 2 whole power 3 plus c. Here t square is x plus 2. Then t is root of x plus 2. That is a simplified answer. 2 by 5 into x plus 2 whole power 5 by 2. X plus 2, root of x plus 2 means x plus 2 whole power 1 by 2, that is 5 by 2 minus 4 by 3 into x plus 2 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. X plus 2 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Here x plus 2 is equal to t square. That's why t is equal to root of x plus 2. Integral, eighth problem. Integral x into root of 1 plus 2x square into dx. x into root of 1 plus 2x square into dx. So here also, yes, solution integral x into root of 1 plus 2x square into dx. Let 1 plus 2x square is equal to t square. From this, 2x square is equal to t square minus 1. X square is equal to t square minus 1 by 2. That is, x is equal to root of t square minus 1 by substitution. So first differentiate both sides. 1 derivative 0 plus 2 into x square derivative 2x. 1 derivative 0 plus 2 into x square derivative 2x is equal to t square derivative 2t into dt by dx. Both side 1 2 1 2 cancel. Then 2x into dx is equal to t into dt. That is x dx is equal to 1 by 2 into t dt. Just listen. 1 plus 2x square, same here. In the previous problem also, I can eliminate the root by using the substitution. That's why 1 plus 2x square is equal to t square. So differentiating 1 derivative 0 plus 2 into x square derivative 2x is equal to t square derivative 2t into dt by dx. Both side 1 2 1 2 cancel. So 2x into cross multiplication dx is equal to t dt. Here you bring 2 into this side, that is x dx is equal to 1 by 2 into t dt. Here just observe the problem. Integral root of t square x into dx 1 by 2 into t dt. x into dx 1 by 2 t dt. Root t square is t into t by 2 dt. That is 1 by 2 into t square dt. That is equal to 1 by 2 t square integration t power 3 by 3 plus c. Integral x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Integral t square dt t cube by 3. That is equal to 1 by 6 into, what is t here? T square is this. T is root of 1 plus 2x square. Root of 1 plus 2x square whole power 3 plus c. That is 1 plus 2x square whole power 3 by 2 by 6 plus c. 1 plus 2x square whole power 3 by 2 by 6 plus c. Yes, ninth problem. Integral 4x plus 2 into root of x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Integral 4x plus 2 into root of x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Yes, solution. Integral 4x plus 2 into root of x square plus x plus 1 dx. In this bracket, you take 2 common. 2 is common. Integral 2x plus 1 into root of x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Just observe this. What is x square derivative? 2x plus x derivative, that is 2x plus 1 plus 1 derivative 0. That is 2x plus 1 here. So this is in the form of f of x whole power n into f dash x into dx, but not using directly the formula. We are using the substitution method. Let x square plus x plus 1 is equal to t square. That is better. We can eliminate the root. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, x square derivative 2x plus x derivative 1 derivative 0 is equal to t square derivative 2t into dt by dx. That is 2x plus 1 into dx is equal to 2t into dt. 2x plus 1 into dx is equal to 2t into dt. Then substitute here 2 into integral root of t square into 2x plus 1 into dx is dt, 2t into dt, sorry, 2t into dt. 2x plus 1 into dx is 2t into dt. That is, you get again 2 is outside, that is 4 into integral root of t square is t into t dt. That is 4 into integral t square into dt. Integration of t square 4 into t power 3 by 3 plus c, x power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is 4 by 3 into t is what? T square is this. T is root of x square plus x plus 1 whole power 3 plus c. That is 4 by 3 into x square plus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. That is the answer. 4 by 3 into x square plus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow onwards from 10th problem onwards. Okay, thank you. Happy Ramzan. Thank you.